So SEO services, should you get SEO services for your website? Do you actually need it? And if you do, how it all works. I'll try to break this down as briefly as possible. So the first thing that I can recommend to you, if you're considering doing SEO, because you heard it works from a different business owner and the leads are good and all that stuff, you definitely need to know the general concept of how it works. Even if you're not tech savvy, if it's a miracle that you even have a cell phone, then you still need to read up on it, understand what you're going to buy, because it's going to bring so much peace of mind throughout the process, and it's going to help you determine whether or not you're with a company that's somewhat knowledgeable of what they're doing. This is very important. I know I'm speaking from experience. I have a lot of people reach out to me that want to do SEO, that want to get some kind of online marketing going, and they have absolutely no idea how it works. Typically what I found is it's very hard to convey the message to someone of how exactly it works, and it's even harder when they actually pay. So like, let's just say you invest in someone to do SEO and you have absolutely no idea how it works. It's going to be very stressful for you, even if you'll get results if you pick the right person, but throughout the waiting time that it takes to do SEO, it will be very stressful for you, especially when you look at your website and it looks the same and you don't see what's going on. Like, you got to understand how it works a little bit. This way you'll have peace of mind, and you will be able to determine from just talking to someone one time if they kind of know what they're doing. So hopefully that is helpful. Brief description of how SEO works. You make a website, and Google picks up that website. It determines whether or not it should show up in the top 100 results for a certain term, and then it starts to categorize you based on the information you have compared to your competitors. If it sees that you provide good information, and it sees that people like to go to your website for whatever, then it will start to move you higher where more people are. That's, in a very short description, how it works. And this process can take some time. For some people it can take several months. For some people it can just take a few weeks. It really depends on your market and many other factors. So hopefully this was helpful. The moral of the story is, if you're going to pay for SEO, study up on it. That's the way you have an idea of what you're paying for, and it's going to help you actually pull the trigger, because a lot of you guys need to do SEO, but you're a little bit hesitant to shell out the money for it because of things you've heard, or because it's a larger investment. But if you study up on it, you'll see that you might see that this is the route you need to take, and it'll help your business, your family, your employees, anyone who's depending on you for money tremendously.